Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Lavanya and you're watching Techie Talk. So today's topic is all about blockchain. Will blockchain change your future economy and the world? And also we are going to see what is this blockchain and all about few important points about this blockchain. Before that, if you are watching Techie Talk for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet Techie Talk, make sure you subscribe to our channel without fail. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now first of all, let us understand what is this blockchain. Blockchain is a digitally distributed decentralized ledger that holds information in blocks. That is, what is a ledger? First let us see and understand what is this ledger. Ledger is like your bank passbook that requests all the transactions. Now, what is this decentralized nature? A blockchain is called a decentralized ledger because nobody controls it, meaning that there is no central authority like banks or middlemen to control it. So now you understood what is blockchain. That is, in a simple terms, we can say that when you use this blockchain, there is no any middle person or third person involved. For example, if you wanted to transfer some money to your friend, you have to do it via bank only. So here bank acts as a third person. With respect to blockchain, that is not required. Now let us see, if there is no central authority or third party, then who authorizes the transaction in blockchain? In blockchain, authorizes transaction using consensus algorithm, where majority of nodes or computers in this blockchain network must agree that the transaction is valid. Now this ledger can be viewed but cannot be deleted or modified. It will always remain recorded on the database. So what happens? Every transaction on blockchain is encrypted. There is a blockchain technology offers ultimate security features and will be used for record management. So using this blockchain, everything is a transparency. So we cannot do any fraudulent transactions, or we cannot cheat, or we cannot perform any malicious operations. Everything is a transparent using this blockchain. In many areas, it will also open up a new and transparent medium of carrying out transactions. Example, I will quote it like this. Manual paperwork and third party involvement increases the chances for faulty records, right? And slow down the process also. Whereas this blockchain can address these issues by eliminating the need for third party verification. In short, blockchain eliminates the third party you need to trust and allows fast, cheap, secure and transparent transactions easily. So now let us see what are the few new things that blockchain has brought. This blockchain can bring many new things to the world. So now I am going to share few of them with you. With blockchain, the two party can enter into a contract or make any transaction without the need of central authority or third party. For instance, if you want to transfer money to someone, as I said in the above example, you won't need a bank account. You will be able to transfer directly to the other party and the transactions will be transparent without any paperwork or human intervention, so that malicious operations or fraudulence will be reduced. In case, I'll take another example. In case if you are staying abroad and want to transfer money home, you will be able to do it immediately without trusting or middlemen like bank, and in the absence of third party, the charges would also be minimal, right? Eliminating this middleman is not an easy task, but blockchain is a smarter. What it does is, it has a contract will make the role of third party null or void. So any contracts can be created, regulated and also self-executed using this blockchain smart contract algorithm. And you will be able to create temper-free contract easily and quickly without paying any fees like charges or any deductions. Now, what is this smart contract? You might get it out, right? This smart contract is an algorithm where all the terms and conditions of the contract can be specified and stored in a blockchain. This facilitates two individuals can transfer money and other assets with no trust issues. Contract is generally like a vending machine, you can assume. So, where you put some coins and you get snacks ordering automatically, right? You might find these in corporates or outer stations. So, similarly, you can assume in that way. So, here you are eliminating the shopkeeper. Similarly, here also in this blockchain there is no involvement of third party. So, it is fast, simple and has no trust issues. Now, smart contractor in blockchain is a decentralized and distributed. So, in order to hack it, you will need to hack thousands of computers at one go, which is never ever impossible. In case of vending machine, it can be hacked, but a smart contract is a blockchain is distributed over many nodes of computers. So it is impossible or delete or modify do any sort of perform operations through contract from all the nodes at a go. So you understood now, right? So how complexity this blockchain is for hacking purpose. So this blockchain is highly secured, as well as now selling and buying of assets would be easier and faster. Blockchain has the potential to change the way we buy and sell. It will ensure faster and low cost settlement. Through blockchain, you just have to specify all the conditions and specifications of the asset in the smart contract of blockchain. So in this case, one can delete, modify or hack a transaction from one node, but impossible to hack the majority of nodes of network. So the process would be ultra fast, secure, automated, and it will eliminate the need of middlemen. And when a buyer agrees to buy, you just need to instruct the smart contract to transfer the ownership to the buyer. Now this transaction will be validated by the majority of the nodes in the network. And once validated, the transaction will then be recorded in the globally distributed ledger and will get updated to all the nodes of the blockchain network. For instance, if a house flat or a land is to be bought, just make payment and then blockchain algorithm will take care of contract part without the need of notarization. Just imagine how fast and simplified would be the process. Blockchain will bring many changes in digital world and will have a significant boost to India's digital train. Now we will witness many positive changes in the digital commerce, not only in the payment processing but also in the supply chain management. The government proposal to introduce CBDC, that is central bank digital currency or digital rupee, is a concrete step in the field of computer managed currency. A digital rupee will be managed towards an exchange over the computer system. It will be issued by the central bank, that is Reserve Bank of India, and it will be based on blockchain and other technologies. Now since it will be based on blockchain, you could transfer it directly to the other person's digital wallet. That is clearly shows that the government, it is also not denying the future of virtual currency and has decided to launch its own digital currency, a launch of digital rupee in a sign of blockchain revolution. Gaining momentum, traditionally we need every transaction to be verified and audited by third parties such as banks. Well, this process is often labor intensive and requires a bank to ensure safe and secure transactions. But with blockchain technology, it can be cheaply implemented on global distributed ledger. Since this blockchain technology is accurate and effective, and that's the reason why it can be useful with supply chain management. It can keep track of every step of product journey. So, guys, I hope you have got some information on blockchain and its future and how in India this blockchain is going to bloom its career. So there will be lot of openings for this blockchain going forward in India. So whoever is trying to enhance their career, please make sure you utilize this opportunity without fail. So whoever is having even career break, they can enhance their skill on this blockchain, because there will be lot of openings with respect to this blockchain, as India also started this cryptocurrency. So for cryptocurrency, blockchain is mandatory. Knowing this technology will definitely help you to get a good career in IT technology. So guys, I hope in this video you got some most useful information, and if this was useful, make sure you subscribe to Techie Talk without fail, and also hit a like if you have liked this content. See you with another interesting topic. Until then, bye.